this is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have an unboxing for you today. This one is new to my channel. I haven't had this sort of thing on my channel before, and I'm extremely excited. Now these guys contacted me via email and they asked me if I would be interested in reviewing some of their products. So I jumped onto their website and had a look, and yeah, they actually have a lot of stuff on there. So this is a company called ArtCreatLove, and they are a paint by numbers company, and they have like so much stuff on there. There's so many different designs and all sorts of neato stuff on there. They have accessories as well. So it just came in your standard plastic bag, and I've got 3 to show you today. So I'll get started on this one. So yeah, I was very excited because I haven't done paint by numbers since I was a kid, and they were the oil paint by numbers on the boards. Remember, they were like that cardboardy board stuff. I used to love doing it, and I've noticed it's really making a big comeback, which is awesome. So let's pull that out. Anything else in there? Yes. Anything else? No. Okay. Oh, this looks interesting. Okay, so I've got some paint brushes, some paints, and a canvas. So I'll show you this one first. So it's rolled. Oh my god, it's like a little scroll. It's so cute. And now they do have bigger sizes, and they have small sizes, but I chose small ones because they're it's a manageable size for me. Oh wow, isn't that just adorable? So it came wrapped around a bit of foam to keep it from getting crunched, and oh good, there's instructions. So we've got instructions. Apply the appropriate paints according to the area label. Pay attention. You've got all the accessories but the frame. It's got your numbers. It's acrylic paint. It's easy to dry. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. And this one here is your little thumbnail here. So isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, I saw that and I thought it was just beautiful. It's a 20 by 20 centimeter. I love the colors. I just think it's really pretty, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. So on here, it is a bit rolled. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, that is so cute. I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look. I'll try to stop it from rolling in on each other. So it's got all your numbers on there. It's really soft. It's got a coating on it, which makes sense. So that looks really good. There's some really small, oh wow, look how tiny those bits are. I'm getting all shadows in there. Look how tiny those bits are in there. So I like how you got some big areas there, and you got some detailed areas. That looks awesome. Cool. Yeah, look how precise those bits are. That's gonna be a challenge for me. But I absolutely love the image on this. That is so cool. I'll zoom you back out again. So you can sort of see the color difference, like the backing and then the coated front bit. That feels really nice. How good is that? It's such a great size, because they have like really big ones, I think 40 by 50s and that sort of thing. And of course I went straight for those. I thought, realistically, I'm not going to be able to finish something that big. So I went for the 3 smaller ones just because I thought they'd be more manageable. But that's a great size. So we'll have a look at, so got your paints. There are 12 colors. Oh, look at those colors. Wow, that is going to be awesome. It looks great. And they're easily numbered, so I won't have any trouble figuring out what's what. And it's in your plastic just as a double security, I suppose, to stop it from if there's any leaks, and also to keep it more airtight. That looks great. Oh, I love those colors. And then you get this little pack here. So have a look in here. Struggling a bit here. So your paint brushes, they've got those little protector guide thingies, which I like, so it protects the ends of your paint brushes. So you've got 3 different sizes. So you've got, put that on there, smallest to largest. So you've got 2 fine ones. You've got a little teeny one, a medium one, and a nice flat brush. And they actually feel really nice. They feel really nice, actually. I like that, how you got your 3 different sizes. I love that. And you've got some little hangers and stuff. I'm not sure how you attach those, but there's hangers if you want to hang it up, maybe attach it to a board or something. That's cool. So that is that one there. I'll keep them all together, those little protectors. And that's the image. How pretty is that? Oh, I love that. Very, very pretty. All right, on to the next one. Get him out of the road. The next one. You've got your canvas and paints, etc. So we'll have a look at this one. I got 3 very different images, actually. And it was really hard to choose. I was there for ages trying to choose what I wanted. Again, on your roll, you've got your directions again. Very, very good. And this image is a swimming turtle. So they had a couple of different turtle ones, and I liked them all, and I ended up choosing this one just because I like how the background's done, and I just really love the colors. How pretty is that? Again, it's a 20 by 20 centimeter. That's so cute. And your canvas, again, like the other one, it's got that coating on it. It's nice and pliable. So I will zoom you in. You can have a closer look at that painting field. Whoops. Oh, wasn't that adorable? So again, you've got some serious little patches going on there on his fin. Look at that. I'll need my glasses for that. But then it's detailed, so you do want the detail. That's amazing. And you got those big, beautiful blocking colors in the background. So what I really like about that sort of design is that if you feel like being very detailed, you can get in and do your details. If you don't feel like getting into it, but you do want to do some of your paint by numbers, you can sort of smash out these big blocking areas and still get, you know, your painting done. So I like how you got that mixture. Isn't that just gorgeous? And the size, I love the size. It's very, very good. Okay, so I'll zoom you back out again. And you've got your paint brushes. So again, the same thing. Same pack as the other one. And your colors. So we have 8 colors. And look how beautifully labeled they are. That's so easy to see what's what. Look at all those gorgeous sea colors. Very, very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. And last but not least, number 3. Can I open it? Number 3, you've got your canvas and you've got your brushes. Oh, they're different color. Oh. Is everyone? That's everyone. So this one here, you've got all the same bits and pieces, and I will show you. This is the image here. Which way does it go? I think it goes that way. Yeah, it goes that way. Because the writing's that way. Ah, dear. So, beautiful sunflower, and I love the swirly whirlies in it. Love the colors. This is such a happy print, isn't it? I just love it. Absolutely gorgeous. And I've been going crazy over sunflowers lately. I really have no idea why, but I'm just going to go with it. Isn't that pretty? Again, 20 by 20 centimeters. And you've got your canvas. So again, it is on your foam roller. And you got your direction sheet again. Love it. And you got your beautiful little canvas. Oh, wow. I think it goes that way. Just trying to flatten him out a bit. So, of course, that's all going to relax now that it's off that foam roller and that. So, I'm not concerned about it rolling on itself like that because it'll settle down now once we've taken it off that roller. Hang on, I wonder if I can roll it that way. Yeah. So I'll zoom you back in again. We're going to have a look. So lots going on there. I love those swirls. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow, that's going to keep me busy. I'm really glad I got the small ones. Although the bigger ones I'd imagine wouldn't be quite as super detailed. Although they might be, I don't know. That looks awesome. No problem reading those. And the print too, what I've noticed is the print, oops, sorry. The print is super duper clear. Like that is so sharp. I can see that from here and I don't even have my glasses on. Very, very clear. That looks awesome. Cool. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. And we'll have a look at the other bits and pieces. So you've got your 3 paint brushes. Again, but they're blue handled. But they look identical. And your little hanging kit as well. And your colors. So there are 11 colors. And your little pots there. Oh, look at those colors. Look at those blues. Wowee. So all those blues, 6 blues. So you're going to get some beautiful, beautiful shading and detail in that sky, let alone the rest of the picture. How gorgeous is that? Awesome. 11 colors. That's fantastic. Beautiful. So there you go. There's 1, 2. They're not going to stay flat, are they? Not 1, 2, 3. 3 very different images. Oh, it's sticking down there. So 3 very different paint by numbers. A great big shout out to ArtCreatLove for sending these guys out to me. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get started on these guys and sort of see how they're going. So as with things that I unbox on my channel, keep your eyes peeled for the videos coming out in the not too distant future where I will be showing you my works in progress right through to the review, any issues I had, that sort of thing. So I'll be doing it for all three of these, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Once again, thank you so much, ArtCreatLove, for sending these out to me. Really looking forward to getting stuck into them. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.